How to uninstall Reolink app. Need to free up space on your iPhone or no longer use your Reolink camera? Uninstalling the Reolink app is quick and simple. Let's show you how to remove it. Go to your iPhone's home screen. Locate the Reolink app icon. Tap and hold your finger on the icon until it begins to jiggle or a pop-up menu appears, like this. As the icons are jiggling, tap on the minus icon in the top left corner of the Reolink app icon. If a menu appeared, tap on Remove App from the options, like this. You'll receive a confirmation prompt asking if you want to delete app. Tap on Delete App to confirm. The app and its all data will be removed from your iPhone. If you have a separate prompt asking if you want to also delete from home screen, choose Delete App. If you want it entirely gone, you've successfully uninstalled the Reolink app from your iPhone. You've freed up some valuable space. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app management tips.